Good morning and welcome to your daily market wrap. I'm Maya Keynes, joined today by financial analyst Eli Sterling. Eli, we've got quite a mix of headlines to get through, from breaking geopolitical developments to surging commodity prices and a packed technical analysis slate. Where should we begin?
Thanks, Maya. Let's dive straight into what's moving markets. First, there's a major breakthrough in the Israel-Hamas negotiations. Phase 1 of the deal includes the release of all hostages, prisoner exchanges, and a significant humanitarian aid delivery to Gaza.
Right, and the details here are quite telling. The agreement calls for an initial withdrawal of Israeli troops, but Phase 2 leaves critical issues unresolved, notably Hamas's disarmament and differing interpretations of Israel's presence in a proposed buffer zone. How is the market reacting to this?
Well, initially, we saw a relief rally in global equities and a pullback in safe haven assets like gold. But as the complexities of Phase 2 emerged, investors are showing caution again. The uncertainty around long-term stability means we're likely to see continued volatility in defense stocks and regional ETFs.
Let's shift gears now to commodities. Palladium has surged an eye-popping 37% from its recent low, with a 17% jump just this week alone. That's incredible momentum. What's driving this?
Absolutely. This surge is largely due to supply concerns and speculative positioning. Technical analysis supports the bullish case. The metal is holding above both the 21-week exponential moving average and 20 simple moving average, which suggests strong support. From a trading standpoint, this looks like a consolidation phase within a larger uptrend.
Interesting. Now let's turn to the crypto space, where technical indicators are painting a mixed picture. Ethereum, for example, is showing a gold signal on the buy-hold-sell indicator. What does that tell us?
The gold signal is actually a special condition that often precedes trend reversals or periods of indecision. In Ethereum's case, it's consolidating between the 50% and 61.8% Fibonacci retracement levels, suggesting the market is trying to find direction. We're watching for a breakout above $4,398 or a breakdown below $4,288 to confirm the next move.
And speaking of technical setups, Bitcoin is also worth noting. It's trading above both the 50-day and 200-day SMAs, which is a bullish alignment. But the relative strength index has pulled back from overbought levels. What's the takeaway here?
Yes, the golden cross structure remains intact, indicating strong, long-term momentum. However, the relative strength index dropping from 72 to around 60 shows that upward momentum is cooling off. If Bitcoin holds above $119,472, that's the 38.2% Fib level, we could see renewed upside potential toward $126,180.
On the stock side, Nvidia is drawing attention once again. The chipmaker is bouncing between $184 and $189 on the 4-hour chart with mixed volume patterns. Is this a pause in an uptrend or something more concerning?
It's a classic consolidation pattern. The lack of clear higher highs or lower lows suggests the stock is taking a breather after a strong run. High volume on October 7th indicates institutional interest. So unless we see a breakdown below $184, I'd lean toward viewing this as a bullish consolidation.
Before we wrap up, let's touch on a few more names. Avalanche is stuck in a bearish rut, with moving average convergence-divergence histogram expanding negatively, and consistent closes below the zero-lag moving average. Is there any hope for a bounce?
Not quite yet. The moving average convergence-divergence tells a clear story of increasing selling pressure, and the stock RSI is deeply oversold without any divergence. Until we see price reclaim the 29.18 resistance, I treat rallies as opportunities to re-short.
Finally, what should traders and investors be watching heading into tomorrow?
Keep an eye on whether Bitcoin can reclaim the 23.6% Fib level at 122K, and whether Ethereum breaks out of its current consolidation range. Also, monitor Palladium for signs of overheating. A pullback might offer a better entry point. For stocks, watch Nvidia's reaction to that $189 resistance. A breakout could open the door to fresh highs.
Great insights, Eli. That's all for today's market wrap. Don't forget to check our website for real-time updates and full technical reports. I'm Maya Keynes. Thanks for tuning in.